TV atibatike zvechopu chopu
zvisina kumira mushe muri yeZimbabwe. Izvo so ndiri kutambira tsamba iri kunyorwa naComrade Bombshell Blessed Geza yavari kupa vachikurudzira vana veZimbabwe vachidedzera kuti it's about time, it's about to happen. Tsamba rekunhingirikana but tsamba iyoyo payabuda ndaona vanhu vari kuvhunduka zvisingaite, the likes of ana George Charamba uyo anova spokesperson wapresident Emerson Mnangagwa ari kupindura achidedzera kuti tinosangana ikoko kuZimbabwe, ndo zvaari kungobuda achitaura. Response yake iyi ine zvairi kungoreva kuti takagadzirira, we are ready for everything, but ndikuona kuti this time panogona kuitwa zvinhu zvinorova cause kaunda imwe yakagara yarohwa kwamutare. Vanhu vanga vasiri ready for what is coming. Vanhu vanga vasiri ready kuti Mutare Geza achadzoka achiti kudii this time, because vanhu vanga vangori kuti pamwe papa akangouya akangobudikira akangotaurawo, dzadzingori nyaya dzekuti akangotaurawo. But izvezvi ma1 vanhu vari kutaura kuti hatisichatombovhunduke safety haina basa because hadzi pakaendwa kuhondo vanhu vanga vasina mabulletproofs, ndonyaya yekuti vanhu vanhu kuti hapana kusiri kufa kwakungoriska. But Mutare Geza mutsamba yake yakamubuda yakanyorwa yakataura kuti zvoni our nation stands at a crossroads for too long. We have watched as the wealth of our beloved country built by the sweat and sacrifice of our people has been systematically looted by a criminal cartel known as Zvigananda. They've stolen over 7 billion from our state coffers. This is not just a number. This is our hospitals without medicine, our schools without books, our roads in ruins, and our pensions rendered worthless. This is the reason our children are living and our parents are suffering in abject poverty, while a connected few live in obscene luxury or injury. This grand corruption operates with impunity and protection from the highest office. In the face of this nation crisis, our leadership appears either incapacitated or unwilling to act. The silence from the top is a betrayal of the oath to protect and save Zimbabwe. This time for silent anger is over. The time for peaceful collection action is now. We will not be intimidated. We will not be silenced. We are the soul of this nation, and on the 17th of October we will rise as one. This is not a protest. It is a solemn assembly of patriots. We call upon every Zimbabwean from Harare to Bulawayo, from Mutare to Victoria Falls, from diaspora in Split to join the million citizen march in Harare. Our demands and clear: immediate arrest and prosecution. We demand the immediate unconditional arrest and prosecution of Zvigananda and all their accomplices for grand corruption and state capture. Accountability and transparency. We insist that every public office bearer be held accountable. We demand a full independent audit of all public fund and neutral resource contracts. Restore all the rule of law. We advocate for the absolute upholding of our constitution. The law must be applied equally to all citizens without fear or favor. Protect our security forces. We call on our armed forces and police to remember their constitutional duty to protect the people, not the corrupt. Stand with your fellow citizens as exercise our democratic right to peaceful assembly. Join us at Mugabe Square. Let your presence be your voice. Bring your Zimbabwean flag, bring your water, bring your courage and your conviction. Come peacefully with dignity and purpose. This is our moment to reclaim our destiny. Let us stand shoulder to shoulder, not as political parties or tribes, but as Zimbabweans demanding a better future for ourselves and our children. Together we can take back our country. Together we can end looting. Together we can build a Zimbabwe free from corruption and state capture. See you on the 17th. Let the world hear our voice. Yours, Comrade Blessed Runesu Geza. Hashtag arrest Zvigananda and state capture. Zimbabwe rising, our country, our future. Ndo tsamba yandiri kusangana nayo panapa iri kunyorwa naComrade Bombshell mudhara Geza. Handisi kuzivawo kuti mhuri yeZimbabwe muri kuionawo sei, nekuti ini ndangoti ndingoya pana pafasta ndingoti gaga ndichikuzivisai zvinhu zvinenge zvichiitika. Munozviziva kuti paCool TV we will never disappoint.
Cool TV team VAT asi vanhu vachishamsika. Cool TV haichatsika, saka subscribe wozolaika nechawana zvisapana chichazosha. Everybody say Cool yeah. Information is brilliant, yeah. Everybody say Cool